Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Skylight calendar has stopped responding, won't sync properly, or isn't displaying information as expected, you're definitely not alone. Problems with the Skylight calendar can occur because of power interruptions, Wi Fi connectivity issues, software glitches, or temporary account synchronization problems. The good part is that many of these issues can be resolved with a few basic troubleshooting methods without needing complicated repairs. Before assuming that the device itself has failed, it's worth trying several simple fixes. In this video, I'll guide you through a few steps that may help get your Skylight calendar working normally again. Try these. Step 1. Confirm that the Skylight calendar is connected to a reliable Wi Fi network and receiving internet access. Step 2. Check that the power adapter connected to the Skylight calendar is firmly attached. Step 3. Restart the Skylight calendar to clear temporary software problems. Step 4. Look for available updates and install any software upgrades for the Skylight calendar. Step 5. Verify that the account linked with the Skylight calendar is still signed in correctly. Step 6. Confirm that the Skylight calendar is displaying schedules and syncing information normally again.